Welcome to the Supplier How-To video series. What can I add to my company profile? Click on the top right hand corner of the website, click on Dashboard and then click on Company Profile. This area should contain as much information about your business as possible, and most of it is visible to the distributor. Your office address and a description of your business. You can also control where your daily reports go and your inquiry emails sent to you by distributors. Each time you update any area, please click Save. In your settings area, you can opt to turn on or off place an order, and if you want to receive requests for Zoom meetings. You can upload up to 4 images of your business to show to distributors. In the function Product Finder, click on the button to choose your supplier type. In this area, you will find hundreds of options available to you. Please click on all the options that are most relevant. And when a distributor sends an inquiry through Product Hunter, you'll receive a copy of this for the item that's most relevant to you. You can also upload unbranded copies of your marketing collateral that include email flyers and e-catalogs. These will appear on the front end of your company profile, and distributors can use these to send to their own customers. You can update these at any time. And that's your company profile. Thank you for watching.